Welcome to the unboxing of the ZenCAM Plus. Let's dive into what's inside this sleek, compact box and get a closer look at the features that make this camera stand out. First up, we have the PowerBox Plus. This is the heart of your ZenCAM Plus system, providing essential power and connectivity. Next, we have the host connecting cable. This cable will link your ZenCAM Plus to the system, ensuring smooth communication and operation. Here is the power cable, which will connect your system to a power source, keeping your camera running without interruptions. For additional connectivity options, the IO/RS232 expansion cable is included. Now, let's take a look at the ZenCAM Plus camera itself. Designed with advanced technology, this camera offers exceptional clarity and performance for all your tracking needs. To ensure stable power supply to your camera, we've included the 16-pin OBD power connection cable. This helps you easily connect to your vehicle or device. Also in the box, you'll find a crowbar. This tool helps you with the installation process, ensuring a safe and secure setup. To secure your setup, we have the PowerBox Plus tapping screws, mounting bracket screws, and a Torx screwdriver. For privacy, a privacy lens cover is included. This cover ensures you can easily protect the lens when it's not in use. Last but not least, the mounting bracket is included, giving you everything you need to securely mount your ZenCAM Plus camera wherever you need it. And that's everything you'll find inside the ZenCAM Plus box. With these components, you're all set to install, power up, and get started with your new camera system. Thanks for joining us for this unboxing. Don't forget to like and follow for more updates and unboxings. See you next time.